Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. We will start with the topic triangles. Yes. Okay. Yes, my dear children. Triangles andre triangle ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so right so from our childhood only we are what is triangle, right? So yellow shapes and triangle shape. So in previous years also we know what triangles and how many sides has and how many angles it has, right? And also we know the properties of triangles, types of triangles, right? So next and in previous year, that means in 9th class, we learned about the congruency of a triangle, right? So congruency of a triangle ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So in this lesson, what we are going to learn, see in 10th standard, so we are going to learn with the concepts similarity of a triangles, right? So already we have learned about the congruency of a triangle, and in this lesson, so we are going to learn about the similarity of a triangle, right? Similarity of triangle. And already we know about the congruency. What do you mean by congruency? And what are the properties of congruency? If we want to tell the two triangles are congruent, then we are using so many properties. Okay, by using a yes, yes, yes. So that all criteria we are going to use to tell the two triangles are congruent or not, right? Right. Like that only. In similar triangles also, we are going to use that property. So that is criteria of a similar triangles. So before that, first we should know what do you mean by similarity. So congruency means what? If two triangles are equal in size and equal in shape. So in general, we can say that if two triangles are equal in size and equal in shape, then we can say that two triangles are congruent, right? And in that, if the two angles on one side same idre, then also it will be a congruent triangle. How the so congruency means what? Two triangles are of equal side and equal angle. Idre that two is say that congruency, right? What do you mean by similarity? So similar figures ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? So when you call the figures are similar means what? Same shape idaga, right? Same shape idaga we are going to tell that. So these two figures are similar, right? So similar figures means what? If one triangle is like this and other triangle is like this, so one triangle is ABC and other triangle is PQR. Okay, ABC and PQR. So idu namge nodoke one triangle is big, one triangle is small. Then you can say that these two triangles are similar, right? So similar anta heltivi. So what do you mean by similar? The figures which are same in, so the figures which are having different size and same shape, that we can call it as a similar figures. So like that only, in case of triangles also we can say that if triangles are in same shape, so alli eradu triangles ide, but the both triangles are having different angles and different size, right? So that two triangles we can say that similar triangles. Okay, next. So similar figures means what? Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar when you are going to call the figures, or we can say that polygons are similar when all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in same proportion. Then only you can say that two figures are similar, right? So understood what I am telling? Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, okay, or in same proportion, you can say. So similarity of a triangle. So similarity of a triangle anta bandaga, one of the great mathematician, his name is ಥೇಲ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮೆಥಮೆಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಥೇರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ he proved one theorem on the basis of similarity of a triangles. That theorem we call it as a basic proportionality theorem, or generally we can say that Thales theorem anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is very, very, very important as far as your examination is concerned. This is very, very, very important theorem. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಥೇರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥೇರಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥೇರಮ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದೆನ್? ಸಿ, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so here two triangles are there. If you consider two triangles, no, sorry, one triangle. See, this is triangle ABC. Okay, so if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, see, I am drawing one line parallel to BC. Okay, so call this as D and E. DE is a line which are drawn parallel to BC. Okay, which are drawn parallel to BC. Parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ D and E intersect AB at point D, and this point it intersect AC at point C. Two distinct points. ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗತ್ತೆ? AB and AC ಅಲ್ಲಿ D ಮತ್ತು E intersect ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So ಹೀಗಾದ್ರೆ then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So ಯಾವ sides ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So other two sides means here AD and DB, AE and AC are divided in the same ratio. AD and DB, AE and EC. So this is our theorem says. This is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem that we call it as the BPT. BPT ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Next one. If a line divides any two sides of same ratio, this is exactly opposite to the Thales theorem that we call it as a converse. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು converse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. If two sides are divided, the line is parallel to third side. Okay, so illi when you draw a line parallel third, divide in the same ratio. But next theorem ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? If two sides are divided in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third ratio. So last in the first ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಾ? So exactly opposite of the Thales theorem. Therefore, we call it as a converse of Thales theorem. So converse of BPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem. This is also very, very important theorem. Okay, remember. Next. Criteria for similarity of a triangle. So these are also very, very important criterias. So now criterias ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? Criteria for similarity of triangle. So based on these criteria, we can say that the two triangles are similar or not. Therefore, we call it as a criteria of a similar triangle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? See, in case of congruency, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? A, angle property, yes, side property, side angle property, angle property, right? So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So like that only here also we are going to observe the criteria for similarity of a triangles. That is, first one is AAA, that means angle criteria of a similarity of triangles. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. and hence the two triangles are similar. See, observe carefully. Here's in two triangles, okay, corresponding angles are equal. So here angles, corresponding angles are equal. Then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If three angles are equal, three corresponding angles are equal, then the sides are in the same ratio. That means here three angles are equal. Therefore, hence the two triangles are similar. This property we call it as a AAA criteria. That means angle, angle, angle criteria for a similarity of triangles, right? Next, if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. See how many angles are equal here? Two angles. Okay. Two angles of, this is very, very important. Two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar. This may be referred to as a similarity criteria for two angles. Means two angles are equal. So, avaglu kuda we can say that two triangles are similar. Okay. Next, another theorem. So, ee ella theorems proved ide. Okay. So, prove that AA criteria, prove that SAS. So, adana perfect agi madbeku. So, that all theorems will come in 4 marks. Okay. And or you can, or it may be asked for 5 marks also. If in one next theorem, that is SSS. SSS means what? Side property. Yes or no? Side property. Okay. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, that means here we are considering sides of two triangles, right? So if I consider one triangle and another triangle, we are going to consider here sides. Okay. So sides of two triangles are proportional or in the same ratio. ಆ sides ಹೇಗಿದೆ proportional ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ same ratio ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The sides of the other angle, then their corresponding angles are equal. If the sides are in same proportion or same ratio, then the angles are also equal. Then hence the two triangles are similar. Then we can say that two triangles are similar. So we can say the two triangles are similar on the basis of SSS property. SSS means side property, right? So this theorem says that SSS criteria. So next, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. That means the angles are equal here. Yes, my dear children, observe carefully. How many angles are equal here? So one angle, observe carefully here. One angle of a triangle, namge two triangles iddaga, one angle corresponding angles equal idre, a triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are in proportion. So namge ee two sides enadru same proportional alli idre, then we can say that two triangles are similar. That means here two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Therefore, SAS property. It is called as SAS property. Why? Because two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Here, three sides are equal, then three angles are equal. But here one angle is equal, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, we can call it as SAS property. Okay, so this is one of the criteria of a similar triangles. So this is also very, very important. So we should practice the theorem thoroughly. So ella theorems ಅನ್ನು perfect ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay. Next, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the angle of the other triangle and the sides, okay, it is also same. ಅದೇ same repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. SAS criteria. Okay. Next. So based on these theorems, we shall we solve some multiple choice questions. So ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first question is that who proposed that a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle divides the other two sides in the equal proportion. Yes, The mathematician who proposed this theory? A line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle divides the other two sides in equal proportion. Yes, is it a Pythagoras or Thales or Euclid or Euler? Yes, who proposed a theory? Thales. We can say that Thales. It is a Thales theorem, right? Next, in the given figure, if ST is parallel to QR, then PS divided by SQ is equal to. Yes, my dear students, observe carefully. Here one figure is there. So one triangle is there. In that triangle, ST is parallel to QR, right? So ST ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು QR ಗೆ parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. Then PS divided by SQ is equal to, that means this is on the basis of Thales theorem, right? So Thales theorem anta, so Thales theorem ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಗೆ PS divided by SQ is equal to PT divided by TR. Why? Because these two are corresponding sides. Yes, then these two are corresponding sides ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. PS divided by SQ, then PT divided by TR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So where is PT divided by TR? Yes, option A. Option A is right. Okay. Next. In the given figure, if XY is parallel to BC, yes, where is XY? XY is here. This line is parallel to BC. Then AX divided by AB is equal to. Yes, observe carefully. AX divided by AB ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? AX divided by AB means it is one of the corollary. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು corollary ಇದೆ. ಏನಂತ? AX divided by AB is equal to AY divided by AC. Right? AY divided by AC. So ಈ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ AX divided by XB, then AY divided by YC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. These two sides are equal. If you take AX divided by whole line AB, then AY divided by AC. This is one of the corollary. Yes. So where is your AY divided by AC? This is option C. AY divided by AC. This option is right. Next. In the figure, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides. Yes, here two triangles they have given and that two triangles are similar. Okay. And we need to find out the corresponding sides. This triangle is ABC and this is PQR. And tell me the corresponding sides in these two triangles. Yes, my dear children. Corresponding sides ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? AB divided by PQ, right? AB ಗೆ PQ corresponding ಆಗಿದೆ. BC ಗೆ QR is corresponding side and the AC is correspondence with PR. Yes, AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR and AC divided by PR. So where is ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ AB divided by PQ, BC divided by PR. So this is wrong. AB divided by PQ. So this is also wrong. Illi here PR is there, but we want PQ. AB divided by QR. So this is also wrong. AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR, AC divided by PR. So this option is right. Okay. So next. In triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to 2 centimeter, DB is equal to 3 centimeter, and AE is equal to 3 centimeter. Then EC is equal to, so if you take one triangle, triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, okay, and this line is DE. Okay. AD value they have given, that is 2 centimeter, right? And DB value is 3 centimeter. Okay. AE value is 3 centimeter. And we need to find out EC is equal to. So EC we don't know. We need to find out EC. Okay. By Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, or by BPT, we can say by BPT, AD divided by DB. Why? Because DE is parallel to BC. When DE is parallel to BC, then corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So these two are equal. So same proportion ಅಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? AD divided by DB. Yes, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Right? So we know the value of AD, that is 2 centimeter. DB is 3 centimeter. AE value is 3 centimeter. EC value we need to find out. So EC, write as it is. Next, transfer this EC to this side and 3 to this side. You will get 2 into EC is equal to 3 into 3. Now transfer this 2 to this side. EC is equal to 3 into 3 divided by 2. Yes. So 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 1 remains. You will take point means 1 0. So 10, 2 5s are 10. 4.5. So 4.5 centimeter. So where is 4.5 centimeter? It is in option B. Therefore option B is right. Okay. Now, in the figure, if triangle ABC is similar to DEF, then the length of DES and triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. They have given. Yes, okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then the length of DE. Where is DE? DE is here. So this angle is corresponding with this angle and this is corresponding with this angle and this is corresponding with this angle. Okay. So AB divided by DE. Howda? So illi one line ide, illi three lines ide. Illi one line ide, illi three lines ide. Therefore corresponding side yaudagatte? AB divided by DE. BC divided by EF. AC divided by DF. Right? Howda? So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ one line in the represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here two lines are there and here one line is there. So ಈ corresponding side ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಈ corresponding side ಇದೆ. That means ಈ side ಗೆ corresponding side ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ? DF ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Therefore we can write it as AB divided by DE, BC divided by EF is equal to AC divided by DF. Okay. Yes, what we need to calculate, that is DE. So DE namge beku. Where is DE? AB divided by DE. So AB value is 5 divided by DE is equal to BC value is 4. EF value is 8. Next. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕಾ? ಯಾಕೆ DE ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. So we will take only these two sides. Transfer this DE to this side, DE to this side. So 5 into 8 is equal to DE into 4. Right? So DE ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ DE into 4 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 8 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 5 into 8. Therefore 5 8s are 40 is equal to DE into 4. So transfer this 4 to this side. DE is equal to 40 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. Therefore, DE is equal to 10 centimeter you will get. Yes. Is it there in the option? Yes. C option is 10 centimeter. Therefore, C option is right. Okay. Yes. Next question. A vertical pole of a vertical pole of a length 19 meter cast a shadow 57 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 51 meter long. The height of the tower is. Yes, how you are going to find out the height of the tower? See here. So vertical pole is of length 19 meter. Okay. So take one vertical pole. This is of, wait. So take one vertical pole. It is of 19 meter. Okay. 19 meter casts a shadow of 57 meter. So this is shadow 57 meter. Okay, this is pole and this is shadow 57 meter. And now adana full draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So now it becomes a triangle. Now call this as triangle ABC on the ground. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow of 51 meters. See, it is a tower. It casts a shadow of 51 meter, right? 51 meter. So we don't know the height of the tower. So we need to find out the height of the tower, that we call it as a edge. Okay. So if I join this line, it becomes triangle. So now call this as PQR. Now AB and PQ are corresponding sides. BC and PQR are corresponding sides. AC and PR are corresponding sides. Okay, we need to find out the height. Height means height of the tower is PQ. Okay, so PQ value we want. For that, see here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So similar agide idu. Howda? Is triangle to similar PQR, similar to triangle PQR, right? So AB divided by PQ. Why? Because these two are corresponding sides. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. Okay, we want the value of PQ. Okay, we value of AB is 19. PQ is H. BC is 57 and QR is 51. Now transfer this 51 to this side. 19 into 51 is equal to, transfer this H to this side, 57 into H. Now transfer this 57 to this side. You will get 51 into 50, 51 into 9 divided by 57. Right? 51 into 9 divided by 57. This is 19, right? Yes, 51 into 19 divided by 57. 19 ones are 19 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so 37. 3 ones are sorry. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 17 ones are 17. Therefore, you will get 17 centimeter. Therefore, height of the tower is 17 centimeter. So it is in meter. Okay, 17 meter. Understood? Next. In the given figure, so this question was asked in 2020. In the given figure, EE divided by AC, EE divided by DB. Okay. Prove that triangle EAB is similar to triangle ECD. Okay. In the given figure. Okay. So now here triangle EAB is similar to ECD anta now prove madbeku. Okay, madana. So we will consider this angle as 1 and this angle as 2. Huh? Two angles are there, 1 and 2 anta tagolona. In triangle EAB and triangle ECD anta tagondre, here one triangle is there and here one triangle is there. Therefore, EAB and ECD anta tagondre, in triangle EAB and triangle ECD, EA divided by EC. Okay. And ED divided by EB divided by ED. So ಇವೆರಡು corresponding sides ಅಲ್ವಾ? EA divided by EC is equal to EB. EB divided by ED. ED. Now, 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, these two are corresponding vertically opposite angles. ಹೌದಾ? So these two are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now here two sides are equal. That is EA and EC, EB and ED, and one angle is equal. By using SAS property, SAS criteria, we can say that triangle EAB is similar to triangle ECD. Yes. Criteria. Triangle EAB is similar to triangle ECD. Okay. So this can be asked for 1 mark. Next, in the figure given below, what value of X will make PQ is parallel to AB? Okay. PQ is parallel to AB. That means we need to find out the value of X here. CP value is X plus 3. PA value is 3X plus 19. Yes. CQ value is X and QB value is 3X plus 4. So we need to find out the value of X. Ella kada X ide. So namge X value beku. Nodana. PQ is parallel to AB. When PQ is parallel to AB, by using basic proportionality theorem, BPT, so basic proportionality theorem ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ BQ is parallel to AB ಇದ್ದಾಗ, by using basic proportionality theorem, CP divided by PA and CQ divided by QB, because these two corresponding sides are equal, CP and PA are equal, CQ and QB are equal. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that CP divided by PA is equal to CQ divided by QB. Right. So CP value is how much here? CP value is X plus 3. Right. CP value is X plus 3. PA value is 3X plus 19 is equal to CQ value is X divided by QB value is 3X plus 4. Okay. Now, transfer this 3X plus 4 to this side and 3X plus 19 to this side. Okay. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X plus 3 into 3X plus 4 is equal to X into 3X plus 19. Yes or no? Now, X into 3X, that is 3X square, X into 4 plus 4X plus 3 into 3, 9X you will get, plus 3 4s are 12. 3X into 3X, that is 3X square plus 19 into X, 19X. Now, here also 3X square is there. Here also 3X square is there. So it will get cancelled. Now, 4X plus 9X. So here X is there, here X is there. Therefore, we can add that to numbers. 9X plus 4X is 13X plus 12 is equal to 19X. Now, transfer this 13 to this side. 12 is equal to 19X minus 13X. So 19X minus 13X, you will get 12 is equal to 6X, right? So transfer the 6 to this side. X is equal to 12 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Therefore, X value is 2 you will get. Okay. So X value 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So this question also can... okay. Yes, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 2 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. X value. Find out the value of X or ಈ ತರಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 3x plus 2, 3 into 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ is 2, 3x plus 19. So 6 plus 19. So 25. X plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the value of x. Next. So these two, now these all questions are for 2 marks. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at point O using a similarity criterion for 2 triangles show that OA is divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Yes. Okay. So here one trapezium is there. So a trapezium, we call that trapezium as ABCD, and here AC and BD are diagonals, and that 2 diagonals will intersect at a point O. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಪೆಜಿಯಂ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಟ್ರಾಪೆಜಿಯಂ ABCD ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So here AC and BD are 2 diagonals, and that 2 diagonals are intersecting at a point O. So now show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. So here we are going to observe 2 triangles. That is, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, but 2 triangles. We will take 2 triangles. In triangle BOA, okay, consider one triangle BOA and triangle DOC. In triangle BOA and DOC, okay, consider in triangle BOA and triangle DOC. So observe carefully. See here, ABO, angle ABO and CDO. So here, when AB is parallel to DC, see here AB is parallel to DC, ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, A to B, D to C ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ, so here B is there, angle here D is there. Therefore, these 2 angles are equal. Why? Because these 2 are alternative angles, right? So alternate angles are equal. So in angle ABO and CDO is equal to CDO. So that means here B and D are equal. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ABO is equal to CDO. That means B is equal to CD. These 2 are alternative angles when AB is parallel to CD or DC. These 2 are alternative angles. Alternative angles. Okay. So alternate angles are equal. Next. Only these 2 are alternative angles? No, C and A are also alternative angles. If you observe carefully, BACD ಅನ್ನ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So A is here, C is here. Therefore, A and C are equal because these 2 are alternate angles, right? So that we are going to write as angle BAO is equal to angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Why? Because A and C are alternative angles here. When AB is parallel to the DC, these 2 are alternative angles. So that 2 angles are equal. Next, O is there. Angle O. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು O ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ O ಇಲ್ಲೂ equal ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So angle O is making angle with triangle BOA and DOC. Therefore, this angle is ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? This angle is common angle or corresponding angle, right? So angle O is equal to angle O, or you can write it as BOA is equal to DOC, corresponding angle, right? corresponding angle. So corresponding angles are also equal. ಅವು ಕೂಡ equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now, C, B and D are equal. A and D, C are equal and O are equal. That means here three angles are going to be equal. How the three angles equal ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Therefore, by using A criteria, we can say that triangle BOA is similar to triangle DOC. Yes or no? Why? Because here three angles are equal. So by using AA, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So when these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are equal, are in the same proportion. So ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ sides ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? OC divided by OA, OB divided by OD, or you can say OD divided by OB, OC divided by OA is equal to OD divided by OB. These are CPCT. We can call it as CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. Next, OC divided by OA, OD divided by OB. So when you reverse it, you will get ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. So this is our result. Show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is the final result. Okay. Yes. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ criteria rules ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. So here three angles are equal. So by using AAA, we can say that BOA and COD are equal. Sorry, equal ಅಲ್ಲ, similar. So similar triangles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ corresponding sides are same ratios. That means divided by OA and OB divided by OD ratio. So ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, then you will get OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Okay. So next, S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to RTS, angle RTS. That means angle P is equal to angle T. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. There is angle triangle RPQ. RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay. So here, this is a very, very simple question. See, when angle P is equal to angle RTS, that means in triangle RPQ and RTS, okay, angle P is equal to angle RTS. Okay, angle P means it is given, right? So given ಇವೆರಡು angles equal ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So when you taking RPQ and RTS, that means R is common to both the angles, both the triangles. So R is common to both the triangles. Therefore, angle R is equal to angle R. This is common angle. Common angles. So here two angles are equal. Angle P is equal to angle T. Angle R is equal to angle R. Therefore, by using AA only AA property, we can say that triangle RP. Yes or no? So next. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that AD is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Yes. So here triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. We are going to show that these two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABE and triangle CFB and triangle CFB. Here, if you consider triangle ABE, so AE full triangle and triangle CFB. So between these two triangles, A is equal to C. Yes or no? A is equal to C. So angle A is equal to angle C. Why we have taken A is equal to C? Why these two angles are equal? Why? Because these two are corresponding angles. So this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? So here, opposite sides of opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Next, A. Now, observe carefully. AEB. EB. So when AE is parallel to BC, when AE is parallel to BC, okay. So ಇದು ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? It is also like Z shape. Z shape ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ this is angle E and this is B. Therefore, angle E and angle B are equal. Therefore, these two are alternative angles. Okay. Angle AEB is equal to angle CB because an A is parallel to C. Angles, alternate angles, alternative angles. Okay. Now, here how many angles are equal? Two angles are equal. So, A is equal to C and E is equal to B. That means by using AA property, AA similarity criteria, we can say that similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB, right? Okay. Understood? Next, in figure, E is a point on the side CB produced of isotriangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that ABD is similar to ECF. ABD is similar to ECF. Yes, if you extend the BC line, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ದೆನ್ see here, E is a point on the CB produced an isosceles triangle. That means ABC is the isosceles triangle. They have ABC is the isosceles triangle. ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. So in isosceles triangle, two angles, two sides are equal. That we know. Yes or no? In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. That is AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. And with two sides, two angles are also equal. Two corresponding angles are also equal. That is B is equal to C. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle C. These two are corresponding angles of isosceles triangle. Okay. So corresponding angles of isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, So when B is equal to C, that we can write it as angle ABD is equal to angle ECF ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ. ABD means what? AB, when B is equal to C, that can be written as ABD is equal to ECF. That means B and C are equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So ABD is equal to ECF. Okay. Now, in triangle ABD and so now consider triangle ABD and ECF. Okay. So now consider triangle ABD in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. In triangle ABD and ECF. So observe carefully what they have given. See here, AD is perpendicular to BC. Where is AD? AD is perpendicular to BC. That means if it is ABC, BC is a base. If you draw AD perpendicular to BC, that means here it makes a 90 degree here. Here also 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Yes or no? So ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? So like that, when you draw EF perpendicular to AC, that means AC is a base here. So if you are drawing EF perpendicular to AC, so EF perpendicular to AC, here also it makes an angle 90 degree. That means D and F are 90 degree here. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? D and F are 90 degree. Yes or no? So that can be written as angle ADB. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? Angle ADB is equal to angle CFE. Or you can write EFC. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEFC. That means D and B are having 90 degree. ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತಿದು? AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Right? Now, so so now here angle ADB is equal to EFC. That means D is equal to F is 90 degree. That means these two angles are equal. And ABD is equal to ADB is equal to ECF. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here two angles are equal ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. AD is equal to F and B is equal to C because these two are corresponding angles of the isosceles triangle. That means here two angles are equal. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ two angles equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. By using AA criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Right? So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ABD is similar to ECF. So in triangle ABD and ECF ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. In triangle ABD and ECF. Okay. So here it is an isosceles triangle. That means AB is equal to BC. B is equal to C because two corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Okay, so B is equal to C ಆಗತ್ತೆ. B is equal to C ಆಯಿತು. One triangle equal ಆಯಿತು. Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? When AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, it makes an angle 90 degree at point D and F. So these two angles are equal. Now D is equal to F and B is equal to C. That means here two angles will become equal. So by using AA property, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Yes. Next, D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay. CB into CD. Yes, where is CB? CB is here. CB into CD. Yes. Okay. So now, here in triangle ADC and BAC, we are going to observe, right? So, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು triangles ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ADC ಅಂತ ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ BAC ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ADC is equal to BAC, that means D and A are equal ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು in triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Okay, so two triangles are there, that is ADC and BAC. Full triangle ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ triangle ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now ADC and BAC. So in the question only they have given angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Yes or no? It is given in the question, right? Next, so if when you consider triangle ADC and ABC anta tagondaga, angle C is common for both the triangle, right? Angle C is common for both the triangle. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. Yes, angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. This is common for both the triangle. Yes or no? Therefore, it is common angle. Now, by using here, how many angles are equal? Two angles, that is D is equal to A and C is equal to C. Now, by using AA criteria, we can say that triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. Yes or no? Now, when corresponding sides of a similar triangles are in proportion, we can say that corresponding sides are in proportion. When these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in same proportion. So corresponding sides ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? CA divided by CB and CD divided by CA. CA divided by CB. Okay, these two are corresponding sides. CD divided by CA. Okay, so write CA divided by CB and CD divided by CA. Why? When these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, we can write that CA divided by CB is equal to CD divided by CA. Now, transfer this CA to this side and CB to this side. You will get CA into CA is equal to CD into CB. CA into CA is CA square is equal to CD into CB, right? CA square is equal to CD into CB. Yes, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? CA square is equal to CB into CD. That only they have asked. They have asked in the question. Prove that CA, show that CA square is equal to CD into CB. Yes, similarity property ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? By using AA, SS, SSS, SAS. So, ಈ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So, when the two triangles are similar, we can use corresponding sides are in same proportion. Or in some triangles, we can use Thales theorem also. So, ashte irodu. Based on that concept only, we are going to solve all the questions, right? Yes. Okay. So, I hope all the questions are clear to you. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು questions ಅನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. All the questions are understood. Yes. So, I have all questions. So, shall we stop today? Tomorrow, we will discuss some 4 marks, 5 marks questions. Okay. So, shall we stop today? Yes, my dear students, study well. All the very best. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.